COVID-19 pandemic started in 2020. Coronavirus outbreak started from Wuhan, China.
I'm Izatul Syazreen binti Muhammad Ismail from Politeknik Merlimau, Melaka. I would like to present about to study the acceptance innovation product from disposable face masks among students in diploma in food service halal practice at Politeknik Merlimau, Melaka. We were going for the second part, which is the areas that will be covered for our presentation today. The first one, we're going for research background, and then we go to see the problem statement, followed by the objectives of the study, and we're going to see as well the literature review, research methodology, data analysis result, and marketing strategy. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start with a research background. As you can see here, at the end of the 2019, the COVID-19 is already strike. Okay, the country in China, which is to be more focused in the Wuhan, China, and the infection from there will be spreading worldwide. Therefore, the government has to consider to identify ways to prevent about the COVID-19 infection, which one of it is mandatory to wear a face mask in the public. If not, you will be getting fined later on. Okay, we were going for the problem statement. As you can see here, these are the problem statement that caused from the face mask. If we not control it properly, and it is stated from the Clemens et al. 2020, a study shows that the mask itself actually can consume the greenhouse gas to the environment. And to make it more worse, all right, the use of the face mask also can increase the landfill and the medical waste, which contain the polypropylene or polyethylene, or we have so much of it from the writers said about it in the year of 2020, Akbar et al. And this indicates the current ongoing pandemic increases the environmental pollution and negative impact to human and also to animal health. As we can see in the newspaper that we have it right now, okay, the issue is already being a worldwide. Therefore, sustainable solutions need to reduce the environmental impacts while meeting the mass demand. We can't deny it at this particular moment. Everyone around the world, all right, they have their own SOP, but for Malaysia, it is a compulsory to wear it. Okay, all right. The objective of this project are as follow. Next one, we're going to see about some literature review that covered for this particular issue. The use of the personal protective equipment, or we call as PPE, even also applied for the social distance, even the travel restriction and lockdown were currently employed in order to reduce or to control the spreading of the coronavirus. And this one create a problem in terms of economy, in terms of the social. Even just only recently in Malaysia, we are allowed, okay, to cross the state. Talking about the face mask, there are various types of the face mask, such as you can see here. Okay, we can see in the next slide. These are the different type of the face mask that we have. We have N95 mask, surgical mask, and also the cloth mask. Even now, our government asking us to wear face mask plus, okay, with the cloth mask. But then there is a trend right now where they do not have to wear the what we call the cloth mask anymore. So by using one, they have about 4 layers of the face mask itself. But the problem is here. Did we realize that the layers of the face mask actually contains this particular problem? All right, each layer has its polypropylene, as I mentioned just now, which contain the plastic material. And from the Berita Harian July 2020 says about this matter, how serious it will be, where from the face mask we will face the problem of the waste landfills in another 50 years. Not to forget about this problem also, right? Adding a vast amount of plastic and plastic particle waste itself may end up in the problems below. Number one, we're going to have streets and landfills, like I mentioned just now, and it's getting problem for the water and also the marine, especially for aquatic medium, which are, that live in that. And it causes a health and environmental effects. Not to forget also about our carbon dioxide. Talking about the global warming. So this is why the research is being done. As you can see from the Craigie and Morgan, all right, this particular research I'm taking from the using online survey and literature review. I already did about 100 respondent, which coming from the students from the diploma in halal food service. Okay, and also some samples I did also for the to get feedback from the industry. Later on, we're going to see them. Who are they? And these are the data analysis result from the survey that I did before. So throughout this particular situation, we will find out that certain respondent, all right, when you're talking about the how types of the mask that they are using, right, and then also how many times, this is more interesting, how many times that they change the face mask, and whether they realize about this particular problem can cause to the environmental issues.
Look the procedure to prepare the products. Let's go. Step 1 is SOP to collect disposable face mask.
We are wearing double face masks as required by the government. Facial glove and apron. It is follow the requirement SOP by MKN. Second step, how to clean up the materials. Last step is combine the product.
We have two categories of the target markets: household market, open target market, and also tourism industry player. For open target market household users, where based on the report from Berita Harian July 2020, said the latest planning exists in Malaysia is innovate waste to energy technologically. Therefore, this innovation product has its own novelty in Malaysia. And another one reason why we capture this particular market, just because of this market are open, and it is for all types of users, no matter what age, gender, or range of income family, as the price is also cheap. Furthermore, the types of product is under recycle item, and it will be much more easier for us to do the marketing, as we know Malaysian will support the product. And not to forget, this is one kind of the daily routine product that we must or we should have at home. Whereas the second target market from our product, from this product, actually is about tourism industry player. We also managed to get the feedback from 2 5-star hotels in Melaka as a sample of our feedback towards of our project, which is Casa del Rio Hotel Melaka and also Holiday Inn, where they give us a very good feedback and has agreed that our product can be placed in the industry. And furthermore, they are also willing to commit for selling and using our product as in their establishment, as you can see in the recommendation letter here. Not to forget also, in Malaysia, we do have practices hotel, and actually we have 4 types of the hotel. While for the collaborative agencies, there are about 3 agencies who help me to recommend about this product and give a very good and positive feedback. One will be from SIRIM. As you can see here, these are the letter from the director of the SIRIM Negeri Melaka. And then we have another one here, which are the next agency from my Ipoh. I already registered, okay, for the IP numbers for this particular product, and not to forget Melaka Biotechnology Corporation. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.